Hi, my name is Karen Chalmers and I'm a financial analyst with EAP. Now, when thinking about impact, you can look at it from two perspectives. First, environmentally. What type of impact, primary or secondary activities that your business might have on your local community? Does your business use disposable servingware? Does your business recycle? The other perspective is simple, it's socially. How does your business operations affect the people that live and work in your community? Now, first off, how many jobs might your business create? Also, are there any local causes that your business could support?
Hi, my name is Sarah Lowder and I'm the owner of Lowder Baking Company. It's been amazing to see the impact that Lowder Baking Company has had within our community. We've been really excited to find different ways that we can outreach to different organizations and to help others in need. So we have been really happy to find ways that we can donate our products at the end of the day. We make everything fresh from scratch every single morning at Lowder Baking Company. So at the end of the day, when we have leftovers, what we do is we donate them to various organizations in the city, the Rescue Mission, Salvation Army, different church organizations, to where not only does it cut our waste, but also is a way that we can pass that food along to help somebody in need in our community. So we have about between 15 and 18 people working for us right now, all local. It's been huge to us to be able to find local talent that have bakers with so much culinary skill, and also it's given us an opportunity to really pass along a lot of bread knowledge and able to train them up from the ground up. So in our earlier years, we were operating from our home, and we had customers coming to our front door to pick up our king cakes and our products. And our first days open as a storefront, we really had such an overwhelming response, which we're so grateful for. And it really allowed us to get to know our customers kind of from day one. We have a lot of regular customers that come in, and we love getting to see people in the community in our neighborhood, and also people driving in to be able to get our fresh baked products. One thing that was just such a huge support for us, a lot of other local business owners were just such big cheerleaders for us when we started out. You know, it can be intimidating and kind of scary launching your own business, and just to have our community and other fellow business owners rally around us really gave us some great ideas and led to a lot of collaborations with local businesses.
Now, I believe that Lowder Baking Company is a great example of how you can affect your community in a positive way locally. At EAP, we can help you build and implement an effective community impact strategy that best serves the purpose of your business. Over 240 startups have received services, 74 million in capital has been raised, and over 60 startups have been launched in North Louisiana with the help of EAP. If you're an entrepreneur, startup, or small business and need help launching or scaling your business, apply to the Entrepreneurial Accelerator program at eapla.com.